Okay, this la video lo kora line as kilo factory reset lo mint 25p 25 plus by si me best place to le this la this is la you come lea now you go anda lea lo media teke you touch this lab you call me unisoke lo you touch this la lab you come lo hot le me lo ma now you come down now you touch me 606 you look ma 606 and you touch him man. Now you come lo me service le you look ma now you come lo this la and now you press him format da logo ma format you press him format now you come le side there and batogi wait lo anime your phone blue finish now press volume up volume down one time volume up volume down now press one time you connect him USB going to the phone blue now and by you and by ready go down now and by bypass him factory reset lo P mint P25 plus blue. Okay, thank you lo watch na you Paula lo you comment down below. Bye bye.